I'm Anvita from 2nd CEC of TSW RDAS, Waitshel Kistapur. Today I'm here as a part of Read India competition. Now my topic comes. Are ignorant leaders the greatest threat to our planet? Yes, 100% of the people agree with this question because ignorant leaders are the greatest threat to our planet because as the power they possess is put to use only for some political affairs happening in our country rather than those which needs the immediate attention like global warming, garbage thrown in water, food and water wastages. Not only this, rather than that, women abusing and raping cases in India, child marriages are the biggest threat to our planet which need the immediate attention. All the politicians have the power to eradicate all the bad things happening in our country, but the logic here is the politicians are becoming the part of the bad things happening in our country. So I suggest every politician and every leader to know about the current situation happening around the world. And the biggest threat to our planet is that believing that someone else will come and save our planet. So no one will come and save our planet, but it is also not the duty of the politician. If the planet is in threat, it is also responsibility of the people to protect our planet Earth and to represent a good representative who represent our nation for the social welfare of the people. So to summarize the topic, if the leaders are the greatest threat to our planet, but it is also the duty of the people to protect our Earth. So it is not only an advantage for the planet, but it is also an advantage for the plants and animals and also for the future generation. And Manipur issue is the burning issue happening around the world, but no leader has come forward to solve the Manipur issue. So absolutely and accurately, ignorant leaders are the greatest threat to our country. Thank you.